Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a ginger bug. Begin by grating fresh ginger, measure equal parts sugar and water, and mix in a clean jar. Feed the mixture daily with more grated ginger and sugar while keeping it covered with a cloth. Watch for bubbles and rising activity, which signal readiness. I'll describe feeding schedules, common issues, and tips for flavoring your homemade sodas and shrubs. Gather your ingredients: fresh ginger, granulated sugar, and non-chlorinated water. You only need small amounts to start. Clean equipment thoroughly and choose a clear jar so you can watch activity develop. Keep the jar at room temperature away from direct sunlight and stir daily to dissolve sugar and introduce oxygen. I'll explain how to scale up, how to store the bug, and when it's ready to carbonate beverages for a lively, natural fizz. Feed your ginger bug consistently, each day with measured ginger and sugar to build strong fermentation. Maintain cleanliness and always smell the culture for freshness. Any mold or rotten odors mean discard and restart. When the bug shows steady bubbling and a pleasant tang, you can use it to ferment sweetened juice into soda or transfer it to the fridge to slow activity. I'll share troubleshooting tips and ways to adjust sweetness and flavor profiles for drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.